So today I'll be talking about diet and PMS, premenstrual syndrome, wherein it affects women's physical health, behavior and emotion during certain days of the menstrual cycle. Now it affects 90% of the women, wherein it starts 5 to 11 days before the menstrual cycle and ends once the menstruation starts. Few symptoms could be constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, discomfort, acne and mood swings. Mood swings like depression, anxiety, sadness and irritability. Now many of us think that there isn't much we can do to keep premenstrual syndrome under control, but it turns out that there are natural ways to control these symptoms like exercise and eating right. Now exercising and eating right can control bloating, depression, mood changes, irritability associated with PMS. I recommend 45 minutes of exercise 3 to 4 times a week along with dietary changes, which I'm going to talk in detail. Now, number one dietary change that I would recommend is to reduce salt intake. Try to cook your own meal at home rather than ordering from outside or eating outside. Reduced salt intake is recommended for someone who has bloating issues, breast tenderness and swollen hands. Second dietary change is eat variety of fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens. Now you would want to eat from the rainbow from different types and colors to attain all the nutrients, right? So try and include all the green leafy vegetables to ward off the fatigue. Third, I would recommend drink plenty of water. Drink at least 3 liters of water. Now this will help you to reduce bloating. It also aids in digestion and has a number of health benefits. You can also flavor your water with ginger or mint for added benefits and flavor for sure. Fourth, eat more calcium. Now when I say calcium, does not mean that you have to drink or consume cow milk or buffalo milk. You can have nut milk, yogurt, sesame seed or ragi. Now fifth, I would recommend to eat more whole grains. Swap all the processed food and white flour with bajra, jawar, barley, rice or broken wheat. Now this helps in shifting the levels of estrogen and progesterone, which further decrease the amount of serotonin in the brain. Now serotonin, it affects the mood and triggers depression, anxiety or irritability. So eating whole grains definitely helps. And last, I would recommend to add more iron-rich food. We need to up our iron intake before and during periods to replace the loss. So let's not forget to add pomegranate, apricots, dates, fig, spinach, broccoli, all the legumes, eggs, chicken and fish to ease the symptoms and make up for the loss. Hope these tips will help.